Musk Empire or X Empire, whatever you call this, is currently ending in the next few days, right? So I'm going to dive into how you can actually navigate into this platform, how you can make more money, how you can improve your coin and every other stuff. So follow me to this video to be able to learn one or two. And if you actually learn one or two at the end of this particular video, you can give me a thumbs up or hit the subscribe button for me to know that, oh right, you actually learned something from this particular video. All right, so without further ado, let's move straight into the video without wasting much of time. So right here you can see the current balance I have on this particular one. So this is actually a tutorial video, and for this particular account is one of my accounts, right? So I'm going to be using this to demonstrate and to show you how you can actually improve this also by doing the same step I'm going to be showing you in this particular video. All right, so the first thing I'm going to be talking about is your level, right? So if you click on your level at this particular side, on this account, I'm currently on level 11, right? So it said the higher you increase your level, the more you are going to be getting more profits, right? So if you check out this particular side, you're going to see the game day is actually 60 days, right? And the next level is actually going to be 96.6 million, right? And on this particular one, the total spent is actually going to be like 53.3 million, and the invited friend is about 10, improve with 30. So these are like my statistic, what I've actually been able to like achieve in the last few days on this particular level, right? So I'm going to go back then. How can you actually improve this level? All right, so do not forget, if you're actually mining these, one of the things you need to focus on is actually this right here, this particular coin per hour. So if you currently did hamster combat, you are going to know that, okay, this particular one is quite important because profit per hour was quite important in hamster combat. So if you're actually keeping your coin in balance right here and you're not investing in your profit per hour, this is going to speak out and you're going to be getting a low reward right there. So let's click on check this right here. So you can see on this particular side, the coin per hour for this particular project actually helped me to increase my coin right here. So right, you can see to increase your coin per hour, buy new improvements, right? So I'm going to show you how to currently buy the improvement, and there are some improvements you can buy that's going to improve your earning and also your levels right there. So you can see we have something here which I want you to take attention of. It said you will make a coin even when you are offline up to 3 hours. Log in more often to collect the coin, right? So this is what you need to know. So you don't need to stay on this particular like platform just on your phone and drop it down and wasting your data and also wasting your data and wasting your battery. You don't need to do that. All you need to do is to, once you get to a particular level, come to the level and check how many hours can you actually get offline. So if you are within offline in the last 3 hours on this particular platform, by the time you come back, you are going to be getting same profit you are going to be getting even if you stay on this particular stuff. So make sure every 3 hours you are coming here to currently claim, because after 3 hours it will stop loading, it will stop piling up. So you have to come every 3 hours. You can make it 2 hours, so just to make it a frequent something, right? So next thing we are going to talk about is this particular side here, which is the kind of tax, right? So the daily tax is quite important, so you can come ahead to import the daily tax right here, and it is quite easy to do. All right, so if you check out my codes right here, you can see I've completed almost all the transaction on this particular account, right? So almost all the transaction. There are some new tax, right, that you need to participate in and also join. So I'm currently doing them, and you can see right there that is quite impressive. All right, so let's move into how you can currently get this. All right, but before I go, let me show you how you can connect your wallet into this, because some people might actually don't know how to connect wallet, right? So all you need to do is to click on this particular 3 dots, right? So once you click on it, you open, then you come back to this side, you are going to see airdrop, right? Let me show you airdrop, then click on airdrop. So once you click on airdrop, you are going to see that your wallet is connected, right? So people talking about this particular stuff, this same transaction, I'm going to talk about it also before the end of this particular video. All right, so if you have a question, if you have a comment for what I've said so far, you can please go straight to the comment section and drop your comment, right? I'm going to check it out and actually direct to you right there. And also, if you want to reach out to me, I have my link to my Telegram. It's going to be at the description, and also going to be at the pin of this particular comment. So you can go ahead there to click on the link and join the group. You can meet a lot of people right there and ask me questions, and we are going to interact together. So thank you for doing that. All right, so the next thing I'm going to be doing is all right, so I'm trying to tap up to increase my points, right? So this particular boss is actually going to be increasing, right? So if in any few minutes, right, you can see when we started it was on 0, and now I've been able to claim about 15,000 worth of coin right here. So this particular one, you can improve that. So let's go into what you need to improve to be able to get more coin profit per hour. So when you click on this particular site, which is the improve right here. So same thing, just like hamster combat, you need to improve some coin, right? So the first thing I'm going to be talking about is mining. So once you come to this mining is about tapping. So if you improve all this particular mining spirit, it's actually going to increase your tapping section right here. You can see for each tap I actually make on this, I'm going to be getting 51 plus 51. So you can see plus 51 is actually running around. So the higher you input that, the higher you'll be able to tap, right? So if you come back to this again, so this is all, these are all about mining, the brain, the sleeping, and every other stuff. So right here, I want to focus on this particular thing is quite important, right? Because if you scroll down, you're going to see these are the two I actually do focus more on. Okay, so let me show you. These are the two I actually focus more on, right? So if you actually input this particular one, it's going to increase your profit per hour, your coin per hour, and also it's going to increase your level, right? And that is currently what we want right here. So it's going to increase your profit per hour and also your level. That is what we want, right? So you can see if you can unlock all these, you're going to be getting more profit per hour. This particular one is going to increase your profit per hour. I'm very sure about that, and very sure because I've currently done it and it's working for me. All right, so from this side, I said the office. All right, so from the office, right, you can actually go ahead to increase some of this right here, and make sure you come to this side, this CRM, right? They are quite important, CRM. And let me show you one more. I think, okay, yeah, this particular work zone also is quite entity that deal with the machine, that deal with the mining, are quite important, and you can also try to focus on them. So right on this particular one that sell the personally, so right here, this is this one actually did not really affect your level too much, but it's actually going to increase your coin per hour also. But if you want your level to be affected very well, it is actually this particular one that said same right here. All right, so from a recap of this particular one, right, so if you come to this place, you can actually get more coin right here also. So this particular one that says the box, right, so if you come to this right daily, you're going to be getting a free box right here to get. And if you want to purchase right here, you're going to be using about 50 worth of start to be able to improve this particular one, right? All right, so you can go ahead this in your account also. So if you come back to this side, to the city, you are going to see invest, right? So you can currently invest also in this particular one. So we have three type of investment. We have the low risk, we have the medium risk, and we have the high risk right there. So right, so from the high risk and every other stuff, I advise you use the medium or the low risk, right? So do well to make your own personal research. Remember, this is for information and entertainment purpose only. It's not a financial advice, right? So all you need to do is to make sure you do your own personal research, right? So let's do one more. All right, so on this particular one, right, this is the battle, right? So on this particular battle, it is actually duty with negotiation. So once you come to this side, you can actually negotiate and win, but this is like a gamble, win or win. You can actually win or lose right there. So I really don't really advise to come into this place, but I do come once in a while. But it is actually not really advisable. It is just a gamble right here. And if you click on here, you're going to be getting more information right there. So right, so if I've actually watched this particular video to this particular extent with me, which means you're actually interested in growing your account, right? So do well to do more, because this is going to be ending in the next few days, and a lot is actually going to be happening after then. So do well to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumb like if you actually get this particular video interesting to you. I'll see you in my next video, guys.